In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot on your device. You can do this in your browser or wherever you normally access Copilot. Once it loads, you'll be ready to add an image into a conversation so Copilot can help you analyze it, describe it, or answer questions about it. Next, start a new chat or open an existing one if you already have a conversation going. Either option works, so choose whichever makes the most sense for what you're trying to do. If you want to keep things organized, starting a new chat can make it easier to focus on that specific image and request. Once you're in the chat, look at the message box near the bottom of the screen. You'll see a plus sign or an open icon. Click that icon to bring up the attachment options. This is the control you'll use whenever you want to add content from your device into the chat. After that, select the option that says Add Images or Files. As soon as you click it, your computer's file browser should open automatically. This lets you browse through your folders and locate the image you want to upload. If you already know where the file is saved, this part will be quick. If not, take a moment to find the correct folder before selecting the image. Now choose the image from your device. Click the file you want, then confirm your selection so it can be added to the chat. Make sure you're picking the correct image, especially if you have several similar files saved on your computer. Once selected, wait for the image to appear as an attachment in the chat. This is an important step because it confirms that the upload is in progress or has completed successfully. If the image doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds. Larger files may take a little longer depending on your connection and file size. When the image is attached, type what you want Copilot to do with it. For example, you can ask it to describe the image, summarize what it shows, extract information, or help you understand specific details. The clearer your prompt is, the more useful the response will usually be. And that's it. Once your image is uploaded and your message is ready, Copilot can begin working with the file you provided. It's a simple process, and after you do it once, it becomes very quick to repeat whenever you need help with an image in Microsoft Copilot.